G'day everyone, welcome back. Today you can see I'm out. That box on the back of the bike there is a new exhaust. I'm heading over, that's behind me there, the Forster Curry Bridge. I'll be heading over there to the bike shop where we're going to fit this exhaust. That's what I'll do right now. So we're going to start her up so you can hear what it's like before, and then we'll do the after. Right, here we go. Hang on. There we are. Oop. Alright, let's go, and I'll be back, and then we'll hear what the new pipe's like. Okay folks, well, it's back now. You can see nice shiny Delkevic slip-on exhaust on there. Had it done today in Forster JP Moto. It's quick and easy, great job. Looking great. Now, what I'll do is I'll start her up for you and we can listen to the new sound. It. All right. Now we just got to hear it on the road. Thanks for joining me. See you on the next one. Take care.